Ain't no way we supposed to fix that. Worrying about that little bumper. Huh?
I give it character.
All right, that's good enough.
Give it a little character, you know.
All right, Chelsea. We got your hot rod ready. We was going to do some body work, but your cousin, he said, you don't even worry about it. Don't fix it.
I wouldn't worry about fixing that old little dent, scratches.
Hey, yeah. Well, Chelsea got a lot of scratches and dents, so it'll go good with her.
Gives it character.
All right, Turtle's going to drive it right now. We got the old Bobcat. She calls it TomCat. I call it a Bobcat. Got it up and rolling. What's going on, Kimberly? What's going on, Michael? What's going on, Craig? Alan? What's up, Guy? What's going on? Not much. Got old Chillerilla got a little fender bender out in Cottonwood. Go ahead. Out in Cottonwood. Check the points, make sure they ain't too close. I don't hear the fuel pump. Hold your foot on the gas, Anthony. That's what he told Molly, wasn't it? Uh-oh, we said got work on it, y'all. We're getting ready to make a hit in it. We got the motor out of zip tie. Got the motor out of zip tie, though. We're getting ready to get it back together. Had to put some inserts.
That's so you can see up there and see what the engine's trying to do to you.
Make it run faster. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all. He Turtle putting the down tie strap on us, y'all. Y'all gotta watch him. What's up, Daryl Cox? What's on, Tyrone? 757. What's going on? Nah. Old Heavy can't catch the coronavirus. I think Old Heavy is a transvestite or something like that. I don't think. What you say it was, Mo? He can't get the coronavirus. You know what? He has immune to it. Old Heavy is. What's going on, William Smith? What's going on, Christy?
Let me cut the tires off.
Uh-oh. What you do? How you fix it? Put a tie strap.
This usually gets over, you know, tie that up.
Right.
Walk around with it.
All right. Flip the breather on it. He getting ready to make a pass in and make sure that it works. Make sure it's running good. That way they can't blame it on the turtle. Let Wild Man drive it, Turtle. Wild Man, you want to drive it, son? I won't do something like that. You don't want to? What's up, Scott? What's going on? Tina, Texas. What's going on? Sharon, Portwood. up, Tommy? He gonna turn it around, y'all. See what he's got. What's going on, Nate? Abraham. What's going on, Diane Russell? Yeah, you put a big block in it. Let's see what it runs like. It's kind of like it's driving. It ain't real pretty, but it's tough. Yeah, a little rusty looking. Carp, don't look at the women over there. They say they'll cut your arm off. What's going on, Leela? What's up, Johnny? Uh-oh. I think that thing a Husqvarna chainsaw. Sound like it is. Uh-oh, popping. He think he in England or somewhere on the wrong side of the road. Boy, that thing looks just like it's on. Look at one light shining like that leaning. Oh, dear. Uh-oh, he gonna see what he got there. Blow the window out, look. The window blew out on the passenger side. What's up, Jesse? What's going on, William? What's going on, Jonathan? What's up, John? What's up, Steve? What's wrong with it? Right, look, Rodney, we got it. We don't need no knife. That thing run on motor, won't it? Look here, we still got a blaster coil in here. Look. I tell you what, she'll drive the tar out of the thing. Son, they better be. Like it's wicked. It got a hell of a motor in it. Hey, Chelsea's the one drives it. Precious sister Chelsea. Oh, she'll drive it. What's going on, Mark? What's going on, Patrick? Kenneth? All right, guys, we're going to jump off here. Much love. We're going to get these cars ready. We're trying to get them ready now. Got the old ugly duck in there. All right, y'all holler at us.